Materials are at the heart of AGC. Founded in 1907 as a manufacturer of flat glass, we have always worked hand in hand with customers to tackle the various challenges facing society. Never take the easy way out, but confront difficulties. This founding spirit has been our guiding light as we have expanded into a wide range of businesses beyond the glass manufacturing industry. Among them, we are convinced that semiconductor-related materials are an area where our technology will become increasingly sought after. Today, semiconductors can be found in all corners of our world, and they are often manufactured using many of AGC's products. Even in places like these. EUV lithography photomask blanks that form the ultra-fine circuit patterns essential for the manufacture of next-generation semiconductors. Pellicles that contribute to increased productivity in the lithography process. CMP slurry that helps create exceptional semiconductor devices through polishing. Mold release films essential in semiconductor packaging. And high-performance resins and rubber used in equipment for semiconductor manufacturing. By using technology developed over many years and constantly challenging the status quo, AGC manufactures products that support the present and future of semiconductor manufacturing. Naturally, we could not create so many meaningful products without our supporters. To all of you, we pledge to always walk hand in hand toward a better future. Your dreams, our challenge. AGC.